So guys, what is actually calcium? As we know, calcium are found in milk rock, bone and cheese. Calcium is a chemical element with the element of Ca with atomic number of 20. And then what is phosphorus? Phosphorus is an essential nutrient in our diet, like we can find in meat and also found in ATP. Calcium atom with atomic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2. Therefore, it is an alkaline earth metal. For phosphorus atom, which have 15 atomic number, have electronic configuration of 1es2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p3. But what happened when we chemically combine this two element? Does calcium phosphate really that important? So let's find out. Calcium phosphate in agriculture, in plant, meat fertilizer. The fertilizer are used all over the world. The product come with a disease resistance, nutrient supply and root development. This first, disease resistance, fertilizer strengthens cell walls, making plants more resistant to diseases and certain pests. Second, nutrient supply, fertilizer essential for cell wall formation, cell division, and the overall structural integrity of plants. Third, crucial for plants to access water and nutrients from the soil, contributing to overall plant growth and productivity. Sounds exciting, isn't? Moving on to the applications of calcium phosphate in agriculture, especially in fertilizer. For instance, we have Christmas Island rock phosphate, also known as CIRP in bone meal fertilizers. Calcium intake is important for plant cell wall formation, enzyme activity and signal transduction. Calcium deficiency can result in disorders such as blossom end rot and bitter pit. Calcium phosphate can be applied as a foliar spray or a soil drench to correct calcium deficiency. Phosphorus is the second most limiting nutrient in crop production, and it is involved in many metabolic processes such as photosynthesis, respiration and energy transfer. Phosphorus deficiency can cause stunted growth and purple coloration. Calcium phosphate can be applied as nanofertilizers or plant growth regulators. Next, let's see the implications of calcium phosphate. Overuse of fertilizers can lead to increased production costs for farmers. Not only does excess fertilizer contribute to environmental problems, but it also represents a waste of resources for farmers who may be spending more on inputs than necessary. Overuse of fertilizers can also lead to runoff from fields, which can contribute to water pollution. Phosphorus, in particular, is a concern as it can lead to eutrophication when it enters water bodies. Eutrophication can cause excessive algae growth, leading to oxygen depletion and harm to aquatic ecosystems. And of course, overapplication of calcium phosphate fertilizer can result in an imbalance of nutrients in the soil. While phosphorus and calcium are essential for plant growth, excessive amounts can lead to nutrient imbalances, affecting the availability of other essential elements. We reached the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more chemistry facts, and we want to remind you always to stay curious.